Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So this is just a little intro video of what this is going to be. Recently my wife and I picked up a new vehicle and we decided to combine our two hobbies, mine being working on vehicles and hers filmmaking. And so the vehicle we purchased is a 1997 F250. It's a crew cab short box with the 7.3 Powerstroke. And this was really special for us. We previously had OBS Powerstroke, but it was an extended cab and we have two kids so it just didn't work. We found this pop up on Facebook Marketplace and just jumped on it. It's almost a barn find. I bought it from the original owner and he was meticulous in the maintenance. And he had all the service records going back to 1997. Any paperwork of anything that he did to it, I've got. The body, it's in pretty good shape for an OBS. We are up here in Alberta in Canada and we get pretty rough winters and a lot of salt on the road. But that being said, there's only two spots of rust, a little bit on the box and the driver's side fender. This vehicle is extra special in that it's actually factory leather, which I've never seen on other OBS. It's just not powered or heated. It's also got upgraded wood trim inside, but nothing too special. So again, it's a 26-year-old vehicle, so there are some things wrong with it. It's not perfect by any means. Right off the bat, both tanks are actually leaking. The front one is by far the worst, and we can't use it. The fuel bowl has a leak in it as well. It likely needs new glow plugs. The previous owner said he only changed it once since he's owned it. Fortunately, I have a spare set here, so that's going to be an upcoming video. Going forward with this truck, our plan is to try to make it pull as close to a modern truck as possible. And what's never going to be a 6.7 Powerstroke or a Cummins. But some upgrades to the suspension, some power. We're definitely going to be doing an intercooler. I'm hoping to get it to pull similar to a Conrail 5.9. That would be ideal. That's our immediate plan. And then after that, we want to do some interior work. I know that we can do a Super Duty interior swap, so we might look at doing that. We want to get some creature comforts in there, a little bit more than what it has. We also want to repaint it, so that's probably going to be one of the last things that we do. Likely going to go towards the two-tone dark blue paint scheme. But that's pretty much the idea of this. We want to get a vehicle that can pull our trailer really well. So the types of videos that we want to have on this channel, maybe some instructional stuff. There's a ton of 5.9, 6.7 and Duramax videos. Not a whole lot for these 7.3s. So we want to do some how-tos, a lot of building and actually getting hands-on. And then once we do a major change to it, we want to do a comparison to what it was previously. I think that's a big bonus to these types of videos is you get to see firsthand from people that actually have done it. And that's where we're not really sure everything we need to do to the truck. We have some ideas. And we'd like to test them out and see how it goes. So that's the general idea with this video channel. We hope that you guys want to stick around and enjoy this with us. It's going to be a lot of fun.